In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add screen clippings in Microsoft Word. Screen clippings are a quick and convenient way to capture a portion of your screen and insert it directly into your document. This is especially useful when you want to include screenshots, highlight specific areas, or create instructional materials. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document where you want to insert the screen clipping. Once your document is ready, place your cursor at the exact location where you want the screenshot to appear. This ensures that the captured image will be inserted in the correct position within your document. Next, go to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Illustrations group, look for the option labeled Screenshot. Click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu displaying available windows that are currently open on your computer. If you want to insert a full screenshot of one of these windows, you can simply click on it, and it will be added to your document instantly. However, if you only want to capture a specific part of your screen, select the Screen Clipping option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. When you click this, Microsoft Word will temporarily minimize, and your screen will fade slightly. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair tool that allows you to select the area you want to capture. Click and drag your mouse over the portion of the screen you want to include. As you drag, a rectangular selection box will appear, showing the exact area being captured. Once you release the mouse button, the selected portion will automatically be inserted into your Word document. After inserting the screen clipping, you can resize or reposition it as needed. Simply click on the image and drag the corners to adjust its size, or move it around within the document to place it exactly where you want. You can also use the Picture Format tab to apply styles, borders, or other visual enhancements to improve the appearance of your screenshot. Screen clippings are a great way to visually support your content, especially in tutorials, reports, or presentations. They help make your document clearer and more engaging for readers. And that's it. You now know how to add screen clippings in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.